It's a little windy over here. Here, let it eat. Let it eat. Downshift, 5th, 4th, 3rd, and coming about 50 eat. What is good, YouTube? Back with another video. Obviously, from the last time you probably seen this car, it was full bolt-ons, but now we are single turbo DR700, pushing about 500 horsepower at the moment, just on a low boost, just obviously just to get things going. About 500 torque. Keep it conservative. I am daily in the car. We got our G-Force boost controller. We got our Snow Performance methanol injection system right here. Don't mind the check engine light. It's just for some O2 sensor stuff. And then obviously, you know, you gotta have traction control off. This is a IS, as you can see. You got the badging right there. No faking over here. Got the dual clutch transmission. Let y'all hear some of this glory that we got. Ooh, I got traffic right now, but wait till I can let her eat. Yep. Oh man. Yep, I'm still, you know what I'm saying? I'm still getting used to the car, so definitely you guys are coming along with me on this journey. See how, you know, I like this. Obviously, the DR700 is a bottom mount single turbo kit. It is a 6266, can't even say that right, 6266 ball bearing precision turbo Gen 2. So, yep. Ooh. There we go. We can let her eat for a second. Downshift, 4th gear. 4th gear. It's crazy how fast you get up to speed with this car. 3rd. And coming about 50 eat. Get a GoPro strapped to the back so you guys can hear the exhaust, and I want to probably put one inside the hood so you guys can just hear that turbo just spooling. Just expect that. A lot of content's coming. Like I said, the car just got back, so I'm super excited to have the car back. Come along with the journey, be a part of the fam. And oh, okay, right here, downshift. This is the kind of content you can expect right here. Downshift, 4th. We'll do a 4th gear pull. Come on, eat. Car's coming. Oh shit. Oh. Chill out. Now we need to go to an area. I'm gonna show you guys around the car and show you guys what we got done, so you guys can see the build, and then we can go from there. So I do there's a couple of exterior things I do need. I'll explain those when we get to the outside of the car. Let me find somewhere to pull over and I'll show you guys the outside and show you what we're working with. Here she is. 335is. We on some Apexes, wrapped in some rubber. R888s in the rear. 275. Right now we're currently on an E30 mix. I'm in California, so we don't have good gas out here. So basically like a good 93 tune. Let me show you guys under the hood. Excuse, she a little dirty. Obviously, you know how black gets. So here she is. Turbo Smart, blow-on valve. We got our line right there. Then we have our intake for the turbo. Match it a little bit with the blow-on valve. Obviously bottom mount kit, turbo smart wastegate. It is recirculating right now. I'm gonna eventually get opened up so she can scream real loud. Probably should make for some good video content as well. But like I said, about 500 horsepower, 500 torque right now on a low boost tune. You know what I'm saying? Conservative for sure. But for sure, oil catch can. There's some more stuff we're gonna do. We're gonna do the port injection, and then from there, we already upgraded our low pressure. So I think from here we're just gonna do port injection, and yeah, I think from there port injection, and then we're gonna start doing some more of the exterior stuff. I'm thinking we're gonna get a new hood for sure. This hood's a little damaged. This hood's damaged from the previous owner. I think they left something under the hood, and they ended up leaving like a little small dent, like a little dimple. But I think I'm gonna do a new hood. I'm gonna do a different front bumper. So here's the meth kit. I currently have it turned off, so it actually would be making a little bit more power, but obviously I didn't want, I'm actually almost out of the boost juice, so that's why I got it turned off. But hey, a lot of content's coming. Stay tuned. I'm gonna let her eat some more. We got a good straightaway right here, and you guys are gonna see that pool. But I'm in California, kind of in the middle part, Sacramento area. So yeah, we don't have, we're kind of in the middle. So, we still got some good roads. So I'm gonna let her eat. I'm gonna stop talking. Here's the car. Stay tuned. A lot of content's coming. If you want to follow, there's the Instagram. I post quite a bit of stuff to there. More stuff on the story. I don't post too much stuff to the actual feed. Not yet, at least, but if you want to see pretty much what I'm doing on a daily basis, follow the Instagram. I changed the color of the boost control for the little buttons. I love that part. But hey, dual clutch. Don't mind the lightweight of a Christmas tree. That's for the O2s. The check engine light's for the O2. My seatbelt not on. I don't have the original TPMS sensor. Oh, my finger. Track, you gotta have that off. That's for we get some wheel spin, and then my brakes on. You know, my e-brakes on. You know. So that's about it though. We good though. And then we got the MHD, that quick connect. And, we got the dual clutch. Hey, but yeah, this road's pretty empty right now, so I'm gonna let her eat for a little bit longer. Let me show you guys what we working with. Gotta put it into sport mode. Sport, it's already in sport shifting mode. I'm gonna make a U-ey, and then we gonna do this pool. I'll make a U-ey. We're gonna let it eat. Hold on, watch it. We're gonna let her eat, and I'm gonna do a pool. I'm gonna do a takeoff with some spin. Watch this shit. Damn, that's a blind corner. That was a scary corner right there. And these roads are fun though, but a little scary at the same time. I ain't gonna lie to you. I ain't gonna lie to you. Just got paid, damn. Just for me. Just for me. They paid this just for me. I hope you guys are not hearing too much wind noise. Until next time, guys, I'm out.